Hello, my friend. Welcome to Speak Easy English Talks. I'm Nick, and today we're practicing 50+ real English questions and answers to help you speak more confidently and naturally. This lesson is slow, clear, and calming, so you can shadow my voice as you listen. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let's improve your English together. Part 1. Warm-up daily questions. Shadow slowly. Repeat after me. What's your name? Now you repeat. My name is Nick. Now you repeat. Where are you from? Now you repeat. I'm from Bangladesh. Now you repeat. How are you today? Now you repeat. I'm feeling good, calm, and ready to learn. Now you repeat. What time did you wake up? Now you repeat. I woke up early this morning. Now you repeat. What are you doing right now? Now you repeat. I'm learning English and practicing speaking. Now you repeat. Nice. Breathe and continue. Part 2. Daily life and routine. What do you usually do in the morning? Now you repeat. I drink water, stretch, and plan my day. Now you repeat. What do you do for work or study? Now you repeat. I study English and work on self-improvement. Now you repeat. Do you like your routine? Now you repeat. Yes, I'm building healthy habits every day. Now you repeat. What do you eat for breakfast? Now you repeat. I usually eat bread and eggs. Now you repeat. Part 3. Simple social conversation. Do you like meeting new people? Now you repeat. Yes, I enjoy learning from others. Now you repeat. Do you prefer staying home or going out? Now you repeat. I like staying home. It helps me focus. Now you repeat. Do you enjoy learning English? Now you repeat. Yes, it helps me grow and connect with the world. Now you repeat. Why are you learning English? Now you repeat. To speak confidently, travel, and improve my future. Now you repeat. Part 4. Feelings and emotions. How do you feel today? Now you repeat. I feel calm and motivated. Now you repeat. What makes you happy? Now you repeat. Learning something new makes me happy. Now you repeat. What makes you nervous? Now you repeat. Speaking in public sometimes makes me nervous. Now you repeat. What relaxes you? Now you repeat. Listening to soft music relaxes me. Now you repeat. Part 5. Dreams and goals. What do you want to improve this year? Now you repeat. I want to improve my English speaking skills. Now you repeat. What's your dream for the future? Now you repeat. My dream is to speak English fluently and confidently. Now you repeat. Do you believe you can achieve it? Now you repeat. Yes, step by step, I can do it. Now you repeat. Part 6. Motivation. Break. Listen. You're not just learning English. You're building a new version of yourself. More confident, more expressive, more free. Even small practice, like this moment, changes your future. You're doing great. Keep going. Part 7. Shadowing fast practice. Shadow after me, short questions. Ready? What's your plan today? Now you repeat. Where do you want to go? Now you repeat. What are you learning now? Now you repeat. Who do you want to talk to? Now you repeat. Why do you want to speak English? Now you repeat. Part 8. Repetition for fluency. Now repeat the answers with emotion. I want to speak clearly. Now you repeat. I want to feel confident. Now you repeat. I want to improve every day. Now you repeat. I will speak English fluently. Now you repeat. I believe in myself. Now you repeat. Part 9. Ending reflection. Thank you for spending time with me today. Every minute you practice English, you grow stronger. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. If you enjoyed this lesson, come back tomorrow for more practice. I'm Nick from Speak Easy English Talk signing off. Stay calm, stay confident, and keep speaking. See you in the next episode.